The GCA is proud to be partnering with leading companies from across the globe as part of our youth leadership program, bringing new innovative ideas to life, building youth adaptation expertise, and empowering young people to drive adaptation at scale and speed. Our partners are amongst the world's leading companies at the forefront of sustainability and adaptation, and share GCA's commitment to youth innovation and climate action. Please count on us to cement these partnerships and build a climate resilient world for all.
As the CEO of Macquarie and a Commissioner of the Global Commission on Adaptation, I support our teams in harnessing private capital to mitigate and adapt to climate change. And I firmly believe in the power of youth and their innovative ideas as a means to address these critical issues. And that's why Macquarie is partnering with the Global Centre on Adaptation on this youth leadership program to mobilise the next generation of adaptation leaders around the world and empower young people to make their communities more climate resilient in the face of growing climate risks.
There is true strength in youth entrepreneurship coupled with a strong sense of purpose. I have loved working for Mkupa for the last 5 years because of that. We are a young, vibrant team working hard to better the life and livelihoods of our customers. We have built the world's most advanced connected asset financing platform, using it to provide over 400 million worth of financing that has enabled over 1 million African customers to access solar energy, energy-efficient fridges, smartphones, cash loans, and so much more. We are thus looking forward to sharing this knowledge on business startup and youth entrepreneurship through the partnership with the Global Centre on Adaptation and their youth leadership program.
Climate change is one of the biggest crises. Responding to this unprecedented call to action needs active involvement of an informed and connected youth. The young generation is innovative and determined to make a difference. Hence, it's important to channelize their energy and creativity. I would like to congratulate GCA for the Youth Leadership Program. It's a pleasure for Yes Bank to partner and take a step towards creating a more sustainable world. Thank you.
As Europe's largest seaport, Rotterdam is a vital lifeline, a vital artery for the Netherlands, Europe and the world. We work hard to become carbon neutral and to build a sustainable circular economy. Our strategy acknowledges the planetary boundaries, and we aspire to develop new future-proof earning models together with like-minded partners. Our success will be defined by combating climate change and on the new jobs we will create and on the impact we make on the society of the future. By embracing the challenges as opportunities, our port serves as a hotspot for innovation and for collaboration with the next generation. So we are honored to partner with the GCA's Youth Leadership Program and to support youth leaders in their initiatives to shape a better world.
Climate change is the challenge of our lifetime. Southpol is partnering with the GCA's youth program because we recognize the power of young people to make a difference in the fight against climate change. I started my own climate journey as a young, idealistic environmental science student in Zurich in the 90s. Together with 5 friends, we founded Southpol. Now, I'm a bit older, but not less idealistic, and Southpol has grown to 400 passionate people around the world, working day and night to solve the climate challenge.
To confront and adapt to climate change, we need all hands on deck. Only a diverse set of people with varying backgrounds will provide the myriad of solutions we need. Innovations need to happen on all levels.
We need to support the current generation of young, passionate climate entrepreneurs, which is why we're reaching out to you. Join us. We are here to support your ideas for a more sustainable future.
We're a leading global advisory, broking, and solutions company that helps clients turn risk into a path for growth. We design and deliver solutions that manage risk, cultivate talent, and expand the power of capital to protect and strengthen both institutions and individuals. This unique perspective allows us to see the critical intersections between talent, assets, and ideas. And that's really the dynamic formula that drives business performance. We hope to share some of that knowledge with youth to improve their capacity to turn risk into business opportunities and help build a more resilient and prosperous world.
With a current renewable footprint of over 43 gigawatts and major commitment for further investments in green energy, the Enel Group is leading the transition to a renewable and resilient global energy system, powering a more climate-resilient world. We see clearly the impacts of growing climate risk as well as the urgency of accelerating climate ambition. We are therefore delighted to partner with the Global Center on Adaptation in support of the Youth Leadership Program in order to help empower the next generation of leaders in driving forward adaptation solution and climate action.
Youth has great courage, innovativeness, and willingness to fight against uncertainty. They are the leaders of not future, but of today also. We rely on our youngsters to fight against climate change and to make a better world. We are proud and honored to be associated with Global Center for Adaptation, who are engaging youth to fight and win against climate change.
I've spent almost 25 years at UPCO Worldwide, and in that time, I've seen immense changes in our world and in the challenges faced by our clients. Today, the topics of climate change and sustainability are driving so many global conversations, but are also inspiring the next generation. We believe young people are powerful agents of change, and we're delighted to partner with the Global Center on Adaptation, contributing to the training of today's youth to harness their creativity, passion, and energy to build climate resilience and to fight climate change.
Adaptation, resilience, climate action, all these are embedded in the Temasek DNA. It drives the investment strategy and it also encourages the portfolio companies to go on their own sustainability journey. Now, Temasek aims to halve its net carbon emission attributable to the portfolio companies by 2030. For Temasek Foundation, we empower the community through our innovation challenges and the research grants. And the youths are energized through our networking opportunities and also our thought leadership programs. And all that energy, we hope, will be synthesized to power the young leaders and also the entrepreneurs in Southeast Asia and beyond.
At Schiphol, we are committed to sustainable aviation, towards net zero emissions. That will require a lot of effort on mitigation and also, in all likelihood, on climate adaptation. We will need investments, but above all, we will need innovation and we will need talent. And that's why we at Schiphol are very happy to partner with the Global Center on Adaptation and especially with the Youth Leadership Program. And we are looking forward to working together.
The world is facing a climate crisis, growing in urgency, but also in our collective awareness. As a risk knowledge company, we believe in harnessing the power of including diverse perspectives and fostering innovation as means to addressing the climate challenge heads-on and developing long-term resilience. Swiss Re is therefore delighted to be partnering with the GCA on its Youth Leadership Program and contributing to building adaptation expertise amongst the future generation of leaders.
We are leading climate efforts in financial sector in Bangladesh, and we are happy that GCA has chosen Bangladesh as their regional headquarters. We are happy to partner with GCA in terms of identifying the new generation professionals who are interested in adaptation techniques and who can lead in terms of changing the society as well.